This is a MIDI System Exclusive Dump. It contains settings for hardware synthesizers. You need a MIDI utility like MIDI-OX to send this file back to your keyboard. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated SYX file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A SYX file contains a MIDI System Exclusive SYX Dump. SysEx messages are used to transmit manufacturer-specific data between MIDI devices, such as synthesizers, sound modules, and MIDI interfaces. These files often store patches, settings, or firmware updates for MIDI equipment. SYX files adhere to the MIDI specification for system-exclusive messages. They typically begin with a SysEx start byte, 0x0, and end with a SysEx end byte, 0xf7. The data between these bytes is specific to the manufacturer and model of the MIDI device. This SYX file is designed specifically for the developer tool Cakewalk Sonar by Cakewalk Inc. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows can play the track, but manipulating pitch, timing, or effects requires audio-specific software. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the SYX file and choose Open With. If Cakewalk Sonar is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. When a SYX file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, use MIDI software. Open the file using MIDI software, e.g. MIDI-OX Cubase, to view or transmit the MIDI messages. Next, use Text Editor. Open the SYX file in a text editor to view the raw hexadecimal data. Finally, check hardware connection. Ensure the MIDI device, synthesizer keyboard, is connected and configured to receive SysEx messages. If your system cannot parse your SYX structure, the issue is likely that the extension name is shared by a program you don't have. At this stage, manual testing is exhausted. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. The search is over. FileMagick is the specialized universal viewer you need. It handles any SYX format, available at filemagick.com. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Look out for the next advanced guide.